Hi everyone, I'm back from my bike ride, freshened up and got a coffee in my hand. So I'm ready to share with you these two-layered bows that I've been making with my envelope punch board. I have made the single bows before, and I saw from a YouTuber, she goes by the name of I'm a Cool Mom. She had a tutorial to make the double bows, so you can see they have two layers to them there, and then the back strip with the tails on. So I watched hers and I made some of my own. I think the only thing I did differently was added the little centerpiece around the middle of the bow. I just thought that kind of finished it off. It looked nice. This one I just fussy cut a little circle from a piece of scrapbook paper and added that. Here's another one. Just that print with the X's on it. Here's one from papers with pretty colors on it. And one other one here. So yeah, they're really cute. You can use them as gift toppers, or trade them in your swaps, or send them as happy mail to people. So I'm going to just pause this, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make one with the envelope punch board. So to make these two-layered bows, you will need 3 strips of your scrapbooking paper. 2 of them should be 5 inches long by 1 inch. So 5 inches by 1 inch. And then the third one should be 6 inches by 1 inch. And then you're going to go ahead and punch the 5-inch pieces. You're going to punch at 2.5. And you're going to flip it over, do the other side. So, do the next one. To take the 6-inch, and you're going to punch that at the 3 mark here. Basically, it's in the center of the strips. And then for this one, you're going to round your corners. So you do that at the top here. So do that for all of them. So now I'll show you how to put it together. And there you have it. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.